Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on the POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max. In order to go to the safe mode, we're gonna turn off the phone, so I'm gonna use the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then we're gonna slide up in order to shut down the phone. After that, we need to wait for the phone to shut down completely, and once it happens, you want to turn it back on. And of course, if you turn it back on, you will see the POCO logo, and we need to wait for a little vibration feedback, which is going to happen after like a couple of seconds once you see the POCO logo. Once you feel that tiny vibration, you want to press and hold volume down button. So let's give it a try. We're gonna press and hold the power button to turn the phone on, and now wait for the vibration and prepare to immediately press and hold volume down button. Soon we should feel it. There we go. And now I'm gonna press and hold volume down and just keep holding all the time until you see the lock screen. And there we go. As you can see here, we have the safe mode activated. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, what you can do is you can simply restart the phone. So we're gonna go back to the power menu, and then we can reboot the phone. And after that, once the phone turns back on, you will be back into the normal mode. Keep in mind that the airplane mode might still be enabled, so just remember to turn it off afterwards. Leave a like and subscribe.